Hey everyone! Today we are unboxing the Sony RX100 VII, which is a compact but powerful camera. Let's see what Sony's packed in here. As soon as we open it, we've got the essentials right on top, the user manual. Next up, we have the warranty and registration papers. It's a good idea to keep these handy. Registering ensures you're covered if you need support, plus it's great for staying informed. And here's the charger. Sony keeps it compact and lightweight, making it easy to toss in a bag when you're traveling. This little charger is designed to power up the RX100's battery quickly, so you can spend more time shooting and less time waiting. Great for those adventures. Next, a sturdy strap. Always great to keep your camera safe on the go. And here it is, the star of the show, the RX100 VII. It's got that signature Sony look, with a premium, compact design and powerful specs. From the impressive 24 to 200mm zoom lens, which covers everything from wide-angle shots to detailed close-ups, to its fast autofocus, this camera truly packs a lot into a small frame. Ideal for photographers who want professional-grade quality.